Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've got a check engine light on, or your car is hesitating when you accelerate, you might be dealing with a faulty throttle position sensor, or TPS. But before you can replace it, you gotta know where to find it, right? So let's pop the hood and take a look. The TPS is almost always mounted directly on the throttle body. First, find your air intake hose that comes from the air filter box. Follow that hose, and it will lead you straight to the throttle body. The throttle body is that metal valve that controls how much air goes into your engine. Once you've found the throttle body, look for a small, black plastic sensor attached to its side. It'll have an electrical connector plugged into it. That's your throttle position sensor. Its job is to read how far open the throttle plate is and send that information to the car's computer. It's usually held on by just a couple of small screws. Pretty simple to locate once you know what you're looking for. Hope this helps you out. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick car tips. See you next time.